Tammy Slaton, one of the most recognizable stars of the reality television world, has undergone a tremendous transformation since first appearing on TLC's hit show 1000 LB Sisters. With her dramatic weight loss journey, health crises, personal revelations, and unwavering determination, fans have followed her every step. However, one question has sparked intense curiosity among both devoted fans and casual viewer alike: did the show pay for Tammy Slaton's surgery? It's no secret that weight loss surgery, particularly the type undergone by Tammy, is not only physically intense but also comes with a hefty financial price tag. Given the extensive hospital stays, specialized bariatric surgery, post-op care, therapy, and long-term health monitoring, the costs can easily soar into the tens of thousands of dollars, even more when complications arise. So when Tammy made headlines for not only qualifying for the surgery but also successfully undergoing it, many began speculating, was this life-altering operation funded by TLC? Let's begin by looking at how this question even came into public focus. Over the seasons, 1000 LB Sisters has showcased the medical struggles of both Slaton sisters, but especially Tammy's battle with food addiction, mobility issues, and respiratory failure. From hospital emergencies to stints in rehab, Tammy's situation was far more complicated and urgent than anyone imagined when the show first aired. It was during the latest seasons that audiences began to realize the sheer scale of the resources required to keep Tammy alive, let alone help her lose enough weight to qualify for bariatric surgery. While TLC has remained relatively tight-lipped about behind-the-scenes financial arrangements, a few subtle clues have emerged. For one, Tammy's hospital and rehab stays were clearly documented and filmed, meaning they were part of the show's content. That implies that production may have played a role in funding or at least negotiating discounted access to certain services in exchange for the footage being broadcast. It's not uncommon in reality TV for networks to arrange partnerships with healthcare providers or facilities willing to accept promotional value in lieu of traditional payment. In Tammy's case, this could mean that while TLC didn't necessarily foot the full bill out of pocket, they facilitated a way for her to receive care without incurring the full personal cost. Furthermore, social media sleuths and fan accounts have pointed to potential connections between TLC and various clinics that appeared on the show. For instance, Tammy's rehabilitation facility in Ohio has been featured repeatedly, and some suspect that TLC may have brokered a partnership deal in return for exposure. Add to that the online whispers about other reality shows like My 600 LB Life, which is known to fund surgeries for its stars, and it becomes plausible that TLC followed a similar model for Tammy. But did Tammy herself ever comment on the issue? Interestingly, in several of her TikTok lives and fan interactions, Tammy hinted at the fact that she wouldn't have been able to afford everything without the show's involvement. In one live session, she was asked directly if TLC paid for her surgery, and while she didn't answer with a straight yes or no, her expression and vague response, "They helped me a lot more than people think," only added fuel to the speculation. For a fanbase that has grown used to deciphering clues from Tammy's cryptic statements, that was enough to interpret that TLC was indeed involved in paying for or facilitating the surgery in a significant way. Behind the scenes, multiple sources close to the production have confirmed, off the record, that cast members often receive assistance from the network when their health becomes a storyline. Since Tammy's surgery was not only a personal milestone but a major arc for the show, it's reasonable to assume that TLC had a vested interest in making sure the surgery happened. Without Tammy's progress in the eventual surgery, the show might have lost its central narrative drive. In that context, the surgery wasn't just about Tammy's health, it was a ratings investment for the network. Let's also consider the production logistics. Filming in hospitals and rehab centers is not easy. Legal agreements must be signed, medical privacy laws must be respected, and insurance coverage becomes a serious issue. The fact that TLC had access to Tammy's medical journey from the emergency room to the recovery center implies a deeper level of involvement than just filming from the sidelines. Contracts of this nature usually involve some degree of financial responsibility from the production side, further pointing toward TLC's role in covering at least part of Tammy's surgical costs. Yet, even with all the circumstantial evidence, the exact financial breakdown remains unclear. It's possible that the network covered only certain elements, like filming, transport, hotel stays, or therapy sessions, while Tammy's personal or family health insurance, if any, covered other parts. There's also the possibility that a combination of TLC contributions, facility discounts, and public assistance programs helped make the surgery feasible. But again, due to contractual confidentiality and privacy laws, none of this is openly detailed in public records. Tammy's dramatic transformation after the surgery, losing hundreds of pounds and finally reaching mobility milestones, became the biggest success story the show has seen. The payoff wasn't just physical for Tammy, it was emotional, mental, and perhaps even financial. As her popularity skyrocketed, so did brand deals, sponsored content opportunities, and public appearances. Her surgery, initially seen as a medical necessity, became a springboard for career expansion. From that perspective, TLC's investment, if there was one, paid off handsomely, for both the star and the network. On social media, debates continue to rage among fans. Some argue that Tammy should have paid for her surgery independently since she made money from the show. Others believe TLC had a moral obligation to fund the surgery given the amount of emotional and physical labor Tammy contributed to the program. A third group feels that the truth doesn't really matter as long as Tammy got the help she needed and is alive today. However, the question is still important because it touches on broader issues: the ethics of profiting from someone's suffering, the responsibilities of networks toward their stars, and the complicated relationship between entertainment and healthcare. There's also the matter of perception. For many viewers struggling with their own weight or chronic health conditions, knowing whether Tammy received financial help might affect their own hope or despair. If they believe a network can make such transformations possible, it may inspire them. On the other hand, if such opportunities are reserved only for reality stars, it can foster resentment or hopelessness. This is why the question of who paid for the surgery is not just tabloid curiosity, it's socially significant. Ultimately, whether or not TLC paid for Tammy Slaton's surgery may never be officially confirmed. But what is certain is that her journey, physically, emotionally, and financially, has been nothing short of extraordinary. From nearly losing her life in the hospital to walking out of rehab with a new sense of purpose, Tammy's transformation is one of the most powerful arcs in reality TV history. And behind the cameras, there was likely a team of producers, doctors, legal experts, and maybe even accountants making sure she had the support she needed to get through it all. If TLC did indeed pay for or subsidize the surgery, then the network has played a direct role in saving a life, not just documenting it. And if Tammy found a way to fight for her own health with minimal assistance, then her determination is even more inspiring. Either way, her story continues to unfold with every episode, every post, and every brave step forward. Fans will be watching, not just for drama, but for hope. Thanks for watching this video and please subscribe our Beyond 1000 LB's YouTube channel for more update news.